Window shopping. Start your window shopping. You like it? Window shopping in the Terminal 3. You like it? Okay, spray. Go push. Push. Sa YouTube. Shake Shack. Shake Shack. Daddy's favorite. Oh, that's Daddy's favorite burger. Since Neo still have plenty of time because it's only 10:24 and our boarding time is 12:55. So Neo decided to go window shopping. Only window shopping. Because window shopping is free. Window shopping is free, Neo. Oh. Look at that Kenny Rogers. I like Kenny Rogers burger. Huh? Come here. Free box. Tapaking, turn around this side. Okay, and they said they are upgrading this area. NAIA Infracorp. Actually, when the Infracorp took over NAIA Airport Terminal 1, 2, 3, it's really big difference. Now the airport is not hot. The airport have AC and very organized. There is ATM of different banks. Outside there is PNB and Bank of Commerce. And here there is Euronet ATM. And here Neo still not finished his window shopping. What is that? What's that? Oh, that one? You like that food? Which one you like? Which one? Which one you like to eat, Neo? Maybe you want Shake Shack like Daddy? Daddy loves Shake Shack. Ka Tunyeng. And the Duty Free Philippines. Duty Free Philippines. In NAIA 3. Neo, wait for mommy. Okay? Okay, Neo? Neo? We go back to our gate. Let's go back to our gate. Oh, you can rent Wi-Fi here also. Rent a Wi-Fi. And there's Travel Simple. Yay! What you got?
Pizza gummies.
Pizza gummies. Well, let me see. Pizza gummies. That's what you got? Okay.
Beep.
Let's go buy some water.
Mommy, there's baby bird.
Huh?
Bird.
The what? Oh my gosh, yeah, there is bird.